What'd you think again, Aaron? Did you like it, Ma?
So we were on the same one.
No, I love it.
I was telling these guys, like, I was afraid that the build-up was going to be like,
Yeah,
it doesn't even come
it's you're just surrounded by it. It's, did you think you were gonna hit the rhino type thing?
I yelled for that one. But the rest of it, I didn't want to take the time. I was trying to soak it all in.
So yeah. Okay. All right. Go ahead, Aaron. You lead the way. Go ahead.
Stop for a little while.
Yep.
So cool.
Figured Mom would like that. She gets on roller coasters. I figured she'd like that. Oh, more filming. More commercials being shot.
I like the whole lead up to it too. The way it kind of
Oh yeah.
involved and
Right.
I said my mistake last night was at first I think I had something to eat, and then I got an avatar.
Right.
And that was good.
So your stomach's okay right now?
Fine now.
Oh, that's awesome.
I can feel it, but that's definitely something you don't want to eat before you go.
No, no.
I'm looking for it.
What are we looking for?
My phone.
I thought I saw one down here. I saw this one.
That's Dad's.
That's Dad's.
I don't think so.
Is there a phone down there, Bree? Yep.
We lost our people.
Yeah, Aaron's got to pee bad.
I
Yeah.
do too.
So I told her just go ahead.
Oh, she's
Hey, Brielle, follow them up there. Keep coming this way, Bree.